đđánh bọc bò xì khẹtอย่างนั้นจะมันการบอลสีแขนอันได้แต่นั้นมันจะมันเล่นมาได้เล่นทำไปกันเลยนะมีการแข่งเล่นบอลแอฟริกาการรับเลี้ยงใช้ไปเกมวินาทีปีโร่ดับเบิลก็ได้ด้วยเลยใช่ไหมอัดเนียนแมนเดเมเต้ชอบดันอันนี้มันชอบเกมนี้ได้เลยจะมันต้องแวบอัดแวบไปลงเพลย์เกมนี่อู้อ๋อยังบอกเพลย์เกมนี่แกชุกเรายัง
อะไรแค่เธอกัน
อุ้ยชูคิดได้กันเลยสักละบ่าจะมาบอกว่าบอลเล่นเกมนี้บ้านได้แต่จะเป็นการฟาร์มจังก่อนบอกชิแม่
แกเออแต่เคย flow farm
แกแต่แกเป็นสลัดนะใจได้นะช่วยไม่เนี่ยช่วยจังเลยได้ขึ้นเนี่ยมวยช่วยจะไม่ซื้อมวยช่วยจะใช้กับเล่นชิมวยใน Infinix Note 50 Pro Series นอกมาได้ชิมวยในการเล่นเกมกำลัง professional สกรีนของดาต้าไอ้ครั้ง AMOLED ให้มีชิมวยนั่งกำลังเฮิร์ตของเราตั้ง130บนเฮิร์ตเล่นมาบาลเลยจันใบมันปิ้งมาลอยมาเพย์เด็กคนไหนชิปทอมก็ได้ชิมปืนสากาสวัสดิ์
ตัวนัดยออาติมยอซาเซนไหม
ไม่บ้านเดี๋ยวเอาพริกไปเนี่ยโรเทตในกองเจ้าแกนี่
อันดับเทียตะบุญเนี่ยหนู
ได้เลยใบตอง
อันดับเทียตะบุญเนี่ย
เลยใบตองสมา โดยจังหวะจะมาแกมโฟล์ฟานได้สมาเนี่ยพอจังกันแล้วอันอย่างทำเป็นโรมวยช่วยเด็กเนี่ยก็มาใต้เนื้อเป็ดได้บานทอดมวยสโนว์บอลเลี้ยมจิมนิกาบอกการเดินสายบกใบได้มึงจะน่าจิมนิกาก้าวออเต้ตำหรือใบได้ปะเนาะบ่าจังก็มีแกย่อชิมนิกาตีกับห้องก็ได้ชิมบอกใครที่ปีชมาชิมมาก้าวระบกดตามมุดด้วยก้าวระบดักสายได้ที่ได้จะก้าวเก่งงบมันใส่ก้าวก้าวเก่งงบใส่ก้าวอย่างนี้ทอดทีมวยแบบสั้นเจ็บบางแต่เลยทีมแนมวยกูปัดปะก็เห็นแต่เฟลการสโนว์บอลต่างปีมองสำหรับแฮร์โร่ต่างปีทีมนี้สโนว์บอลแอคสโนว์บอลบางเด็กนี่อะไรจังว่าทอเจอไหนเกิดบาสันจะมีการอัดในตรีทอตาหนึ่งมีเจตนาต้องในตรีโจเบอร์แอคได้พวกบาสันจะบานทออัดเราในบานเบอร์นะบาเกบานเบอร์เกบอลจุ่มจังเราแต่บานเบอร์เบียร์ถ้าประโยชน์จังเลยแต่เบอร์ถ้าประโยชน์ร่วมเกย์ประกาศทอแต่แบบเราฟาร์มจังก็แบบเกย์ตั้งมาจุ่มให้มันจุ่มจิ้มจุ่มจุ่มจิ้มแต่ไม่จุ่มตัดไปเลยไปเลยแล้วเกย์สองไอ้กระเทียบโอ้ยกระสำหรับพี่เนี่ยนะเกิร์สบู่สรุปว่าเล็กได้กันแล้วจัดตัวเพราะ VR แกงปัจจุบันจะมันเอาสิชันตาบักแมปกบใจบักแมปเด็กเนี่ยบางนายจะมันซีแคทเอาไว้ได้ซีแคทจังปองปัดหน้าคือบานจูไว้จังป่ะจะมันออกซิเจนปัจจุบันเลี้ยมการเดินสายระนงตูสนาหนักมวยตาตอนหรือใบได้จะมันการโบกบอลใส่ตรีบายเลยทีมฟลัสเคฟริกเกอร์ดอทอยจะมันทอที่มวยเซ็กชวลไปทีมฟลัสเด็กนี้
ไม่นะก็ได้จังไวเหรอ
จังไวแกจังไว
ไม่นะแค่จังไวเหรอตีกันละซี
เดี๋ยวนี้จับตรีใบตองมวยเดี๋ยวนี้อันนี้มันน่าจะทีมฟลัสสมโตเกอร์กะละเสียก็ใช้หนึ่งพี่แชนคือกดเซตเอาไปทีมก่อนเลยทอตีมวยหรือมือกับทอตีปีแปลงยังมั้งแต่ทอตีใบจะมือกันเถอะจะมือทอตีใบบ่าทอตีปีนี่ไอ้แปลงเด็ดบ่าโอ้ยพนักมวยจอยน่ะทำไรเดี๋ยวไม่ได้เกิดมิดแกมไหนทำมิดแกมตื้อเดี๋ยวไม่ได้เชิญเดี๋ยวเป็นไปพอเป็นชีวิตก็ไปเป็นพอยจะเป็นสุขเชี่ยมันเชิญบ่าจังนี่คือขบวนเล่นจอยมวยเดี๋ยวรอได้กี่เนี้ยบ่าจังแกมน่าจะมีลำนังนู่นเต้ปตายการลุยสัตว์ไผ่ไว้ยังเอาเลือดเลือดกระสีมวยแต่มันเอาจะเป็นการยอดที่จะลุยไปจอยแล้วยังขยันสมาร์ทไว้มาแต่บ้านจังบ้านทอกับแฟนมันก็มาตายหรือว่าจังลิ้น
ย่เล่นระแวงไปเลย
เล่นระแวงไปละบ่าผมมันเป็นการลุยไปจองมวยบ่าลุยบอกแกอย่าเพิ่มบ่เยอะนะเป็นไงดอกแกมวยเบาเยอะมวยเป็นข้อคดีปีกับเลียด yes ซะเล่นตามลุยตามเล่นมวยในมวยคือมันข้อคดีชนะเต้บางอย่างการจังก็ข้อคดีต่างกันสับลุยได้ร้อยลุยทำได้เลยบ่าจะมาแกมตามต่อที่จะมาทอที่ปีที่ไปในใจระเบิดในนายเกิร์บหลีกตกมุนนั่นเต้ก็จะมาแกไวไว้ในขี้แต่ใส่ได้อย่าการอย่าลดมาแชร์เอาตีโหลดเอาตีมาแจกโดดดิเฟนแต่แหลกหัวไปมันไปมาอินเตอร์นั่งพาวเกแปะแล้วให้บาร์แอคชั่นยืดอาเจ็ดงวงเจ็ดงวงเป็นคอนเทสไปโอ้โจเบอร์เลยเฮียดาเตอร์เลยเปิด
เด็ก
แต่เจ๊กระซี่ในขนมแกมนี่แกสกอตไทม์ไลน์จะไม่กี่ใดเกินนักเป๊กจังหวัดบ้านเลี้ยมมิดแลนด์ระนงกูสนาการเดินสายจังเชื่อเรื่องไว้ย่างแต่เหมือนเฮียนหนูเด้ขาครามเซเลน่ามวยสมาชิมันสีแคทจิมวยนะเดนัท
ฮักคลอปีตัวนั้นบัตรทอตีปีนึงช่างมาในเพลวันนี้มีเพียบสกัดในเกมจุดการแฟนสงบ
อย่างนี้จะไปวิกินะแต่ปัดซีแคทในกราวนี่ก่อนแต่ยอมแมปไอวิกิแฟมนั่นตระใจปีดักแมปไอวิกิแฟมมันเป็นตระใจปีวิกิสุเลยทอจังนะจะเมื่อในการดักสิกาวิอาสุนะซาโดได้หลักจะเมื่อในสมาร์จะตามน้องฮัทโดยจิโลข้างแต่การเดินสายมาได้จะเมื่อการดำใบตังโหลดไปได้เมื่อยันได้จะเมื่อเฟิร์สโหลดบ้านโชว์คืนตะลึงตีมาได้แต่ปัจจุบันจะเมื่ออาจจะไม่ได้บอลเล่นกับเบาทอยเป็นเด็กเนี่ยไอ้ยะป่าน้องแม่ฮะทอติปีหนึ่งโจ้แต่เอาเด็กกันละที่กิโจ้ทอติปี yes sir โจมาบักมันติด
โจทอติปีเป็นไอ้คือบ้าทำไมจะบ้านมาคิดขนาดเป็นอาคารกระดาษสมาร์ได้กันเดียวตัวมาได้บ้านลุยไปโต๊ะโอ้ยเลยไปโต๊ะมาตุนงุ้ยบ้านเลยไปโต๊ะมาตุนอะไรได้เมื่อก่อนได้จะเลิกกับแดนสายถ้าของchị ấyบ้านให้เนี่ยซีโรเมอร์
เลยแข่งเลิกมาได้นิ่งนุ่งดาวเลยแม่เด้งไปมือหนึ่งเล่นลงไปเลยกันในบ้านจะมันให้ยาบูซาร์บาชมาสี่จะแกมวยโดดถอยเป็นช่วยมันดังจะตามน้อง
จะมาเพลย์ชิมวยหนึ่งอัพเป็นเพลย์ระเบิดเซ็กข้างในชมนายทำแต่มือตลาดกันแล้วตัวบ้านแต่งเป็นในการเล่นเกมนะครับต้องจับแต่งมวยดีขึ้นมาได้ตัวบ้านเราได้แฮร์สำหรับมวยไปชิมวยนับกายนับประมวยไปประมวยกายเลยมวยตรงช่วงชิมวยการชอบให้อินเทอร์เน็ตนั่นคือสำหรับเล่นเกมเมื่อมาเลเซียไปเล่นมวยสามนาเป็นที่กำลังในก็ได้สมัยนะบ่เกมปีเซลขาด
em sna do tụi men tay lực thì mới nè cho cầm rốn ban đại món em do món chân vậy
chăng bà mà kia smart tay mũi mà kia châu rồi mơ mà tiên mà kia châu chăng rồi kháng lưới hiêu ra từ cắt
mũi máy bốc bay cái đan xá tay cái đan xá tham mình vô thế nó tại đó thôi bên đôi kia
tụi men mũi PT đại cô đón bên ton mình sẽ thò thì bay cạn là បាទវិដាច់ដែរប៉មលើជាមួយនឹងការ push របស់ឆ្មាឥឡូវនេះគឺកាត់ lane expert lane លោកណាចោលចឹង game នេះ expert lane ដែលយើងគាត់ថាជានេះចាបោះ lane ចោលឆ្មា farm មកឆ្មា farm ទាំងសត្វព្រៃ farm ទាំង expert lane ចឹងជាមួយ strat នេះនឹងធ្វើឲ្យ Hayabusa
ខាងក្រោមសាមេក្លេវិគីស៊ីចង្កេះមួយដូចគ្នាបណ្ដាជាមួយនឹងការ fail flicker បោះដូចគ្នាពីទី
បាទ
ហើយយលឿនណាស់មិញ
វិគីគេ spam skill ទី2ចោលមិញមិន spam គេ hold skill ទី2ចោលគាត់តែ flick មកពងឈូប្លែងបង
បាទ
កុំដៃលឿនណានេះ
យ៉ា
បាទដៃលឿន
ណាមួយគាត់កញ្ជិលគេឃើញម៉ែផង
ណា
ហើយតែ
អូស្កាយញ៉ាំប៉ែចូលខ្លួនលើវិគីធីម fight គេវាយធីម fight នេះគេវាយ
អ៊ីរតែធំជាង Ranger game នេះលេង1 flash ឯងការយកបន្ទូហើយអ៊ីរតែលុយស្មា Ranger game នេះលេងបានបាទប៉មលើចាំងលើប៉ះគ្នាមួយស្មើរវាងលីនហើយនឹងឆ្មាអូឆ្មាបង
បើ
អាយ៉ាអុកស៊ីចែនតែយ៉ាងណាមិញជាមួយនឹងការចាត់ជួយវាយដល់មិនឡើងឈាមសំមកកង់ដូចនេះបណ្ដាការកោរំលាក់ចូល3 target មិនឈឺនោះទេដកថយរៀងខ្លួនបាត់ទៅហើ
អ
យ
ត់ spam flicker ពី
បាទ mid lane គេនៅទេបងវាយទី fight ឬទៅ
ចាបាយបុក pick off ជាមួយនេះចា combo stun ដល់ខាងក្រៅ back up គ្នាយ៉ាងល្អញ៉ាំមកជាមួយ Donut បោះតូជាមួយនឹងការ kill លើ secret Vicky ដល់ជាមួយ Vicky តែជាមួយ Donut បាត់បង់ជីវិតដូចគ្នាបណ្ដាជាមួយនឹង Donut បាត់បង់ជីវិតដល់ទេបាត់បង់ Donut មួយដូរជាមួយនឹង3 kill 4 kill ហើយនោះបាទ
4អ្នកដូរនឹង2 hero ក្រោយទៅណាត់មួយឆក់យកជីវិតដល់3នាក់
ផ្ដើមជាមួយនឹងការ flick fail ពី Vicky flick ទៅមុខរបស់ជាងនៅស្ដាប់ម្នាក់វិញសង្ស័យចោល cancel ប៉ុន្តែ cancel លឿនពេកទៅជាអត់បាន cancel ទេព្រោះតែ cancel តដាក់ screen ហ្នឹងលើ 0.1 វិនាទីបាទ cancel ចេញតែណា
អត់ទេមិញខ្ញុំគិតថាគាត់ចង់បោះទៅចង់ flick ទៅ
flick
ចង់
តែ
flick ទៅ
ប៉ុន្តែឈរត្រង់ចេញមក flick ចូលប៉មហើយទៅបងអាជាងនេះវិញ
flick ចំហៀង
បាទចង់ flick ចំហៀងមកក្រោយ
ទៅ
ហើយបាទឯឡើងលេងអូបាទឡើងលេងមាន red បាទ flick មើលមាន flick ចឹងចឹងមែនទេចឹងឲ្យលួចលោអស់គាត់ចង់ឲ្យមានជាងអីមួយបាំងចឹងណាបាទកុំឲ្យដល់ flick ទៅត្រង់ពេកបាទ
គេទៅត្រង់ណាស់ឡៃរត់រួចសារមិញអ៊ីថាគេចុច sprint
ចេះរួមសង្ស័យ flick ដើម្បីយកជាងមួយប៉ុន្តែលួចលោអត់ផុតជាងបាយបាំងចឹងខាងក្រោមការរកគ្លៀតដៃអត់ការទេបាទ
ឆ្មាកាដិន3អត់ណុកអាយ៉ាទៅណាសាដូកាបបាយឆ្មាឡាយសិនហៀលាសិនហើយ
បាទជាមួយនឹងការចាប់ចូលការរកគ្លៀតក៏បានគ្នាប៉មក្រក្បាក់បាត់បាយជាមួយនឹងឆ្មាមួយ kill តែប៉ុណ្ណោះ
សាដូមើលធីមគេពាក់
ឡៃរ៉ាម៉ូដើម្បី
ឡៃរ៉ាម៉ូឲ្យធីមទី1យកមក
ដូណាត់ដូណាត់ក៏ពាក់ critical chance ច្រើន
យ៉ាសាណាមួយអាឡងនឹងវាមានការកាត់ damage ដែលលុតលេខ20%ផងដែរបាទចាំវាជាធីមល្អក្នុងការទប់ damage ដែលជាលុតលេខបាទ
ណាមួយដូណាត់ក៏ចូលចិត្តវាយដើរ
យ៉ាសា
បាទ
អូខេតែទីក្រោយ
ទៅហើយដូណាត់អ្នកខាងក្រៅជាមួយនឹងការកាក់សាដូក៏ដូចជាការដេញសារលើកបោះមានការជួយតែ300ឈ្មោះវាយទៅលើដូណាត់យកតាមមានការជួយក៏មិនអាចទប់ជាប់នោះដែរយ៉ាងណាមិញជាមួយការ trade មួយតូនស្មាទេភ្លាមជាមួយនឹងការស៊ីក៏មិនដល់ជាមួយនឹងការដកថយវិញដូចគ្នា
រ៉ូម៉ាដូជាមួយនឹង Golan មួយដុល្លារដូរបាន 4500លុយខ្មែរនេះដែរបាទអេបើគិតដល់តំណែងបរិយាដូរបានដូចជាមិនចូល
ចង់6500ហើយចង់6000ហើយចង់បរិយាហើយ
រ៉ូម៉ាដូមួយ Golan ណាបាទយ៉ាដាក់
តែ
ចៃ
អត់លិចគ្នាអត់លិចទេ
បាទ
តែហ្គេមនេះខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថា Atlet Galaxy ក៏រៀងលេងស្រួលជាងបន្តិចដោយសារតែគេមានឈូចាំ counter donut គេមានជាមួយនឹងការចាប់ទៅលើឆ្មា pick off បានដូចគ្នា
ចាំអាហូក
អេជាប់មក oxygen មានរឿងអីចែ oxygen មួយ
ហូកក្នុង banner ហ្នឹងហូកអីគេ
អត់តែបានបានជាមួយនឹងការគប់ខ្មោចពី C-Cat អាយ៉ាមានអារម្មណ៍ថាចៃសិលណារបស់ C-Cat នេះដូចជាច្បាស់ខ្លាំងមែន
បាទទូចពេកមែន
តូចពេកមិនសូវឃើញ
អីគេហូបអីគេហូប
ក្នុង banner ខៀវហូក banner
ណាបែបណា
នេះលើអាតុងជាតិ
banner មាន logo MPL
បាទ
អើ
តូចពេកមិនឃើញណាវិញជាមួយនឹងការចាំឲ្យយកទៅលើបរិមាណបលត់គេមិនបាយលត់តែម្ដង
នេះចា pick off នេះចាយកតាមជាមួយនឹងនេះចាមិនតាមនោះទេយ៉ាងណាមិញជាមួយការ design បាត់បង់ជីវិតដូចនេះតែមាន motor អត់ខ្វល់ទេភ្លាមជាមួយនឹង Shadow ថាវាយគ្នាខ្ញុំដេញឡើងលើ donut យកតាមនោះការការរំលាយខាងក្រៅមានការ Shadow តែ donut អាចបាត់បង់ជីវិតដូចនេះដែរជាមួយនឹងការ kill លើ lane មួយវិញដូចនេះ2ដូរនឹង3តែម្ដងភ្លាមជាមួយនឹងការដកថយវិញដូចនេះសម្រាប់ធីមទាំងពីរ
លឿនមិនជួយ
អាយយបាទលេនក៏មានការជូខោដោយសារតែគេលឿននេះគ្នាពេលដែលឆ្មាបាយមាននេះប៊ីមកកោត10 kill ដែរតែបាន kill ទេសាជាតែអស់គ្នាគេស៊ី8អស់ kill មិនចូលគាត់ដូចគ្នាបាទទីបាយមាននេះគេដាក់ស៊ីច្បាស់ដែរគាត់នោះគ្នា0 map ដើម្បីវាយឡតប៉ុន្តែធ្វើបានទេបាទဒီមេគេទៅចាប់ណាមួយខ្ញុំនិយាយដែរដូចអត់ fail ទេ
យ៉ាប់ណាមួយមិញបើសិនជា lane គាត់បាន kill លើ donut ឡើងហ្នឹងហើយរស់ lane ណាគេយកឡតដែរគេឡតនេះគេ
មិញគាត់ជួអាចុងក្រោយគេញាក់ចកេះមួយគាត់ជួទៅខុស
បាទ
បាទរៀងខាតបន្តិចតែមិនជាបញ្ហាដោយសារ goal lit គឺខុសគ្នាតែ300 goal ទេដើម្បីគេស្មើ
យ៉ាងនេះ50 50
ហើយអ្វីដែលបារម្ភមួយគឺ Irritate ស៊ូ make play ពេក game នេះស៊ូ make play ដល់ពេលដែល Irritate ដាក់ចិត្តថាបាញ់ C-Cat ក៏ធ្វើអត់ចេញ Vicky ក៏ធ្វើអត់ចេញនេះគ្នាបាទជាមួយនឹងការលោត ulti បានស្ពែរបស់គាត់
គាត់ពឹងទៅលើ Shadow ដែលគាត់ឈ្មោះពឹងលើ Shadow ឈ្មោះចុច spell sprint តាមដែរបាទ វាខ្លាំងណាស់លឿនស្មារតីមានការឃើញ map មានការឃើញ map បាត់ហើយកន្លែងនេះគេឃើញ map ហើយជាមួយនឹង donut មានរឿងអីចែកជាមួយ donut មកជាមួយនឹងការដកថយតែការ bet ទេ ultimate ព្រោះមិញ Galaxy គេឃើញដែរគេឃើញ map
លឿន ulti spell វាយ spell លឿនអានេះពេក
Shadow ឆយ donut វាយយកតាមនោះមិន Shadow តែលេនជាមួយនឹងការចាប់ C-Cat អីយ៉ានេះចាចាប់ C-Cat តាមនេះឯងឡងមើលជាមួយលេនជួកាំងក្រោយមានការដេញវាយយកតាមនោះជាមួយលេនវាយជាមួយទីដេញវាយជាមួយ donut zone donut ចេញពី team fight យកតែម្ដង
គេគាត់ចង់ញែក team fight
គេញែក team fight ចោលបោកបញ្ឆោតជាមួយនឹងនីចាតែម្ដង
បាទតែ donut មានមួយឈុតមកវិញណាទាំង ulti គេដេញ spell លឿន
បាទលេមអាល់មេសំខាន់ណាស់ទាំងអស់ជាមួយនឹងការហ្វ្លីកបោះស៊ីខេតដាច់ស៊ីខេតដាច់យ៉ាងណាគេដាច់ការដើរតាមតបតែណាមិនជាមួយនឹងការត្រេតបានទី1វិញដូចគ្នា2ដូរ1តែបន្តតែភ្លាម3អឺរ៉ូ3ទល់នឹងស្មើតែណាមិនជាមួយនឹងការឆែកម៉ែពីលីនមិនឃើញជាមួយនឹងឆ្មានោះទេ
បាទយ៉ាងណាវិញមានការគុំស្មោកតែមិនមានការរោគគ្នាដូចគ្នា team fight នេះនៅជាមួយនឹង team fight ឡតតែអាចបន្តទៅទៀតបានឬក៏យ៉ាងណាយើងមិនដឹងដូចគ្នា
ឡតមួយនេះមកទៅញ៉ាំ
ហ្គេមនេះការដឹងសារគួរតែដូរ target lock គួរតែដូរ target lock មែនតើព្រោះថាបើសិនជាបដៅដូនណាត់ឲ្យលេងចឹងទៀតពិបាកលេង
បាទសម្រាប់ពីការលេង Mobile Legends បែងគ្នាសប្បាយជាងបបោគ្នាមកទស្សនារកកុនជុំគ្នានៅរោងលេខចិននោះទេ
នោះចង់ធ្វើអីនោះចង់ធ្វើអីនោះ mini map ចង់ធ្វើអីចាជាមួយនឹង
Shadow
ជាមួយនឹង Shima
បាទ
Shima ចង់ធ្វើអី
អានេះឡើងមកស្មារតី
អាយ៉ាការកោររំលែកមានការ share damage គ្នា3រ៉ូអត់ឈឺនោះទេដកថយវិញអត់មានកោទេអត់មានកោទេអាយ៉ាដូណាត់បោះឲ្យបាយការដឹងសារ flicker តលើដូណាត់តែមាន damage back up នោះទេចុំមានរឿងអីចេះការដឹងសារ
មីនី
កា
ខ
រ
ប
ដឹង
បុក
សារលឿនពេកហើយ
បាទតែពេលកន្លែងនេះវាយលត់ free តែសយថងមីនីខបបុកទៀតមីនីក៏ច្រើនដូចគ្នា
បាទអាយ៉ាស៊ីខេតចេញ map មកអត់ចេញ map កន្លែងនេះចាចុះ
អត់ឆែកមើលនេះចា
អូន
អាយ៉ា
ចុំចង់គប់ហ្គេមមិន
គប់
អាយ៉ាបាទបោះសាដូតែណាមិនជាមួយលេងបានធៀលជាមួយនឹងឆ្មាអានឹង start team fight យកតែដល់ជាមួយនឹងការ team fight 4ទល់5ជាមួយនឹងការដេញបាយវិគីសាដូក៏បាត់បង់ជីវិតដូចនេះជាមួយនឹងការដកថយសម្រាប់ចិត្តដកថយសិនដកថយសិនចាំការដេញសារកើតសិនចាំវាយបន្តទៀតជាមួយនឹងការឡាក់
មិន
សិន
ឆ្មា
កន្លែងវិញវិគីគាត់ទៅបាញ់អាសត្វទឹកនោះអាសត្វទឹករបស់ Team Flash បាញ់ទៅលោត map ខ្លួនឯងគេមើលឃើញ
Yes sir
ជាប់ Vision ដាច់ក៏មានមិនបុកដាច់តែ2-1
ដំបូងថាហេងឥឡូវសយវិញ
អេឆាញ់មកឃើញដូណាត់បានតែណាឆោបាយយកតាមលេងជាមួយនឹងការដេញសារមានការបោះជួយពីទី cover ជាមួយនឹងដូណាត់បានតែណាមិនជាមួយដូណាត់អស់មកក្បាច់ហើយអស់មកក្បាច់ហើយ lot នេះអាចនឹង free lot នេះអាចនឹង free តែសមាជិករបស់ Flash ចូលមកចង់កសែតដែរមួយណាជាមួយការសូន Team Flash អត់យកតាមជាមួយនឹង lot ទី1 free ទៅលើ Legend
បាទសម្រាប់គឺជាមួយនឹង mistake ចូល mistake សយជន់លើសយដំបូងវាយគេបាន3ទៅ5បាយជាសយទៅដាក់ជាមួយនឹងឆ្មាសយមីនីខបបុកច្រើនទៅទុំមីនីខបទៅវាយអីសិនទៅលោតវាយគេចេះស្បែលឿនគេមាន Winner គេធ្វើស៊ីកែ
អេបោកវាយកប់សានចំបោក pick អស់យកតាមជាមួយនឹង Donut ដាច់ Donut មួយ Start Team Fight បើសមាជិកជាមួយនឹងឆ្មាពូសាដូមិនឈឺនោះទេ
បាទ Shadow ក៏បានតាន់តែក្បាយជាមួយនឹងអេ
ហើយណេងមួយសិនព្រោះតាសាគាត់ទៅការ goal បន្ថែមទៀតដើម្បីបន្ថែម damage របស់គាត់ដាច់គាត់លេងមួយសិនអោ
អាចនឹងមានការធ្ងន់ធ្ងរនេះគ្នាពីព្រោះយើងឃើញជាមួយនឹង side game នៅតែវាយបានប៉ុន្តែបែរជានៅពេលដែលគេផុងឲ្យ Donut អស់ skill និង spell សំខាន់គាត់បែរទៅឈរនៅ mid lane ឲ្យគេផុងផ្ដាច់ដូចគ្នា
តែ game នេះបើយើងមើលជាមួយ Prep មួយ game មួយគាត់កែ gameplay លេងបានល្អច្រើនជាងពី Team Flash បាទគាត់កែ gameplay បានច្រើនជាង
game មួយមិញ bad gameplay
ហ្នឹងបច្ចុប្បន្នជាមួយ lot មិនទាន់មានការ clear ទេយ៉ាងណាមិញជាមួយ T3 ខាងក្រោមអញដាច់ឬមួយក៏យ៉ាងណាជាមួយ Super Minion ណាំ Flash ទៀត Shadow អញ Shadow ធ្វើអីចេះជាមួយនឹង Shadow អាយ៉ាកដុំឆាតកាឆា Shadow
គាត់អត់មើល stake លើខ្លួនមែន
បាទ
គាត់ spam ទៅរត់ចុះរលាស់គាត់មើល stake គេលើកបោះចូល turret បណ្ដោយ
ចុំមិញខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ព្រឹតហ៎
បាទគេដាក់មកជាងបណ្ដាំងគេសង់ប្រទាយនៅនឹងបណ្ដោយហ្នឹងល្មមមកផ្លូវប៉ុណ្ណឹងបាត់ជាប់យកបង
បាទ
គឺជាប់មកជាងលើមកប៉មកហ្នឹងជាប់នៅនឹងយកបង
បាទរត់តែរួចមិញមានជាមួយនឹងទីចាំបោះមកតង់ទៅ
បាទចាំខ្ញុំមើលហ្គេមនេះឆ្មាកៅរំគ្នាសប្បាយដែរទេពីព្រោះលីនមានវិននៅក្រៅគឺវិគីមានជាមួយនឹងវិននៅ
ចុច cancel គេឃើញ map បាត់ហើយចុច cancel មិនមែន oxygen ដើរជន់ចៃ
អូយដើរចោតដើរឡើងជាប់ជាមួយនឹង skill របស់ Secret ជាមួយនឹងសេលីណានេះជាគុណប្រយោជន៍ងាយស្រួលការបាក់ map មែន
បាទអីយ៉ាសេរីណាចាហ្គេមគ្រប់គេមានអីលេងហងដាក់ចាយក៏បានបាក់ map គ្រប់តាមក៏បានស្តាន់គេតែបើហ្គេមគេគ្រប់អត់ណៃ
ណាហ្គេម
អ
គេ
ត់
កូ
មាន
ន
វិធីសាស្ត្រមិនអត់
និយាយទៅអត់ប្រយោជន៍ហ្មងនិយាយទៅ
តែ clear មួយនេះ clear កាល
បាទអាយ៉ាលេងចូលមកលួចជាមួយនឹង Purple បានមែនninhលួចបានជាមួយនឹង Purple ដើរចេញធ្វើមិនដឹង
បាទឆ្មាបានបើខំមិន
អូយ
បាន secret អត់បានផង
បាទលួចអាទូចមួយទៀតជាមួយនឹង Purple មួយគឺមួយឈុតនេះបច្ចុប្បន្នកាល16នាទីគឺ 22k 2300ដុល្លារចេះស្អី
spam គប់
Wishing Lantern
ពាក់ spam គប់គាត់ពាក់ចឹង spam គប់
តែ
យក
គូក្បាលខ្ញុំគិតថាឈីមិនជាអី
អីគេ
concentrated energy the hell បាទមកបញ្ចូលឆ្នាំវិញបាត់បង់ IQ បាទអញ្ចឹងប្រៀបគឺជាមួយនឹងហ្គេមនៅតែបន្តបានគឺដូចជា21វិនាទីឡតនៅម្ដងក្នុងពេលមួយ plate ទៀតផងណា
ហូរតាមទឹក
ហូរតាមទឹកឃើញអានេះជា concentrated
ចុច cancel បន្តទៀតជាមួយទី Mac Play Flicker ដេញបោក C Cat យ៉ាងណាមិនជាមួយការបោក C Cat អញដាច់តែណាមិនជាមួយលេងមកដល់ហើយលេងតាមបាយគ្នាណាពីការ Killer ដល់ណា free ការរំលាយចាច់វិគីវិណាណាឆាពីរដល់គេដាច់ខ្លួនលើឆ្មាអត់មានមែនទេសាប់ដានអញមកចាប់ហ្គេមនេះដែរជាមួយនឹង vibe out vibe ទីបកៀតែគេវិគីតែបកៀតែគេនេះពីការនេះបាយជាមួយនឹងមីនេះទៅដល់មីនេះទៅដល់បាយទៅដល់លឿនបាយទៅទីដល់យកពីនេះគេមែនបាយបទីបាយ free នេះគេគ្មានសេចក្ដីការ defend ពី team plan ទៅជាមួយនឹងការបាយតែ free បាយតែ free តែម្ដងជាមួយនឹងជ័យជំនះ2-0គឺបានទៅ Galaxy Legend